Hey, nothing feels good like coming home to family and good food and relaxing. Join me as I prepare mushroom stew for my family. We shall begin with preparing our ingredients. So I will start with grating my onion. Personally, I prefer it grated than sliced. You have to be careful, otherwise you might peel your hands. Next, we shall grate our carrot. Some other people prefer to slice it, cut it, but like I said before, I prefer grating my ingredients. It is quite long. And cut it into a half. And first grate one side. Next, we are going to slice our green pepper, or what most people call the bell pepper. I may not have mentioned about washing your ingredients, but definitely it is something that you should know. You have to wash all your ingredients, all vegetables under running water to remove all the germs and some insects that might be on them. So we remove the seeds and then slice it. You can slice it whichever way you prefer it, whichever style that you prefer it. Personally, I feel this is enough. I am guided by my ancestors, and as an African child, I can hear them whispering to me, my daughter, that is enough. Next, we are going to prepare our powdered ingredients, dry ingredients. You might call them curry. I love Royco. And if you don't shake it well, we should really question your African origins. Shake it and then tear it and pour the ingredients aside. I'm going to be using beef, Royco Mchuzi mix, beef flavor, and then I'm going to be adding some pilau masala. After preparing our ingredients, we can set them aside, and then we prepare our mushrooms. Most people prefer slicing them using a knife, but I'm going to just stir them. Please make sure that you maintain your hands clean. Hey, now we are free with the preparation of the ingredients. We are heading over now to the kitchen. I know you must be wondering what the butternut squash is for. Just be patient as I unveil. To a clean saucepan, we add cooking oil and wait for it to boil or get ready. So when the cooking oil is ready, we are going to go in with our onions. We are going to fry the onions until golden brown, and then we shall follow on with the other ingredients. You can see they are turning golden brown. As they continue to get ready, I'm going to be preparing our tomatoes. Now we go in with our carrots. You stir for a few seconds to a minute. Then we can finally put in our green pepper. Meanwhile, I'm going to be slicing my tomatoes as the green pepper and the carrots get a bit ready. Slice them any style, any fashion that you want. After 2 to 3 minutes, then we can go in with our tomatoes. Stir the mix for a few seconds. For the tomatoes to get gently cooked. So as we wait for the tomatoes to cook gently, we are going to peel our butternut squash. Be careful while you peel it not to cut yourself. My cutter. We are going to come in with our dry or powdered ingredients, roiko, pilau masala, and some other grandma's secrets. Stir well into the mixture. Simmer for a few seconds. Now we come in with our mushrooms. We stir the mushrooms into the ingredients. And we cover for a moment. We leave them to simmer a bit. Now we are going to add in salt. I need to first show you where I put my salt. The African way. Recycling. I'm very good to the environment. I take honey, it stores salt for me. I'm not going to tell you a specific measurement of salt. I told you, we Africans are guided by our ancestors. stir. Woo, it already looks yummy. So we cover again and leave it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. As I slice my butternut squash into some small pieces. Alright, back to our saucepan. That is what salt does. So the long-awaited time is here. To this very mixture is where we are going to add the butternut squash pieces. Again, we cover 2 to 3 minutes. Now we go in with our water. This is called a ketamine wine. Some of you may not know it, but as the millennials, we so much know it. We are going to put some little water for the butternut squash to boil well and get ready, and also to leave us some soup. So we are going to leave it to simmer 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, yay! Currently, our meal is ready. Our butternut squash is ready. Our mushrooms are ready. And the stew just looks yummy. You've reached to the end of this recipe. Subscribe for more of the very delicious, scrumptious recipes, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified any moment there is a new recipe. Ciao!